Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Effingham, local and long distance movers near me. When you went to full service long distance move, we offer the following: packing and unpacking services, moving supplies, and on time move and upfront pricing. When you hire our professional movers, you get the right team for the job. We know how to move your things 100 miles, 1,000 miles, or 2,000 miles or more. Our team can handle any type of long distance move and give you the peace of mind you want. Hiring an Illinois moving company might make all the difference when you need to relocate locally. Moving is a major undertaking, even if you're only changing zip codes. If you use your local moving company, we guarantee a swift and easy relocation. There will be no need for you to risk damage by carrying heavy objects or enlist the aid of others. You get moved into your new home more quickly if you hire 3 movers. We simplify the relocation procedure so that you may focus on other things. Even the greatest moves are no match for our skilled crew. Call us immediately if you need assistance relocating to or from Effingham. In addition to local and long distance moving, our Effingham moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.